I give you my heart.
Hey guys, well, I just got home. It's 6:46. We worked a little late today, and I had to work yesterday. That's why I didn't put no videos yesterday. But I won't be able to do no music, no demo or nothing. But I'm gonna show you the 15s came in, so I'm gonna open these up and check them out. Hopefully they're the new version. They came from JB Tool off Amazon. There's a bunch of different sellers, but I just got it from them because they were the quickest getting it here, which I'm hoping that they're the new version. I think all of them are now, but I don't know. So, but they always pack their subs good. American Base does, so no matter what. Anyway, let me pop these boxes open. All right, this is what I got so far. The sticker was folded over. I hate when they bend my stickers, but I think I'll wait to put that on the car. I'll probably put it on the wall or something while I build it. So, but that'll be two more stickers because I got two of them. I doubt they upgraded the specs on these. Probably not. Max Power 3. Yeah, they did. Look. Max Power 3000. Because I have the old spec sheet. And it said 2000. I don't think they have the RMS rating on them. But these are the ones I got right here. So it's 3000. So these definitely got to be the new version. They updated the spec sheet. I'll get the old spec sheet out before the video's over, and I'll compare them and show you what I'm talking about. I went ahead and got it out real quick. Look, this is the old one. See, it used to say 2000. And the new one says 3000. See, XFL series. So, I don't think any of the other data is any different. Let me look. 59, 36. Nope, everything else is the same. It's just the power rating's different. So, everything else is exactly the same, but they did update them. Finally. So, that's good news. I haven't even got down to the subwoofer yet. It's down here. Look at all these boxes. 1, 2, 3. And then all these things on top. Oop, yep, they're the rib ones. Look at them babies. Damn, them things are big. I mean, here's the 10. Here's that bloat 10. I'm going to compare them. I'm going to move this out of the way. And, old Crushfield magazine. And, put one of them here when I get it, once I get it out of the box. All right, hold on. Let me get it up out of here. Oh my God, dude. These things are super nice. I think they updated them even more because I don't know. You guys tell me because I've never had the 15s of these. I've only had the 10s. Let me get this 10 over here by it. Oh. Look at the cone difference in these things. And these 10s, you see my car flexing with these 10s. Remember I played that video, the last video I had was just the 10s playing for the first 3 tracks because I didn't realize I turned the bass knob off on the 15s. Oh man, and you got to see, just wait. The spider, oh my God, it's so pretty. This old spiders, here look, it's black. That's what I'm saying. I don't know, you guys that's got the 15s, if your XFLs have the black spider, but look at these ones, dudes. Look at that, man. Red spider. And it's got triple, or that's dual spiders. These ones do too, but man, these look built way better. It's like they fixed them up even more. I mean, everything else is about the same. I don't know. Damn, these 15s are nice, man. Stiff. Boy, that thing's stiff. These things are going to hit so hard, man. I got 2 of them, too. I ain't even opened up the second one. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, and it's rated. It is the new version. Let me flip this thing over. Here. Let me go around this way because I don't want to move it around. see, 1500 and 3000. So 1500 RMS. Look at the pole vent on that thing. Holy cow. I mean, compared to, damn, this box is big. I got the other American Bases boxes in here. Let me grab one out. Oh man, I got too much shit in here. All my clothes. I've been so busy lately, I got time to do shit. Here's the box that the 10s came in. Look at the size difference. Look at that. Yeah, my sock's a little dirty. I mean, I did so many different jobs today. I had to put Christmas lights up from a bucket truck for the mayor of this town and shit. But dude, awesome, blossom. Red Spider, man. Look, and they put good glue around that one. That one just got a small amount around it. But they got a lot of glue around the inside of the cone there going into the spider where the foreman is. Tensile leads look sewed in good. I am happy. Dude, I am so glad I got these things, man. Oh, and I seen we're up to 300. We're over 300 subscribers now, man. Thanks, guys. Appreciate the support, man. One day we'll get up over 1,000. But I appreciate the people that I got right now. Man, I cannot wait to get these in the car. These are going to, I'm going to end up putting them in that other box that I got the machetes in right now. I got those up for sale. Somebody wanted to trade me a PSI 18. They said they paid $700. They said, well, maybe for those speakers and if you give me an amp or something. At first it was just he was going to trade me straight up for the 2 machetes, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to sell them. But man, look at this thing. It's huge. I mean, hold on, let me put them on the table so you can see them better. Look at that. Man, that's some big XFLs. It dwarfs my little 10s. But these 10s are badass, man. This is the one that's blowed. It's not blowed all the way, you can still play it. It's just the coil's starting to come unraveled, I think. And I can't get a recone kit right now because PSI ain't doing no business because of COVID, I guess. But I can't get over that spider, how pretty that thing is. What do you guys think? You guys like that? Reminds me of, I think the Scars got a red spider, don't they? I've not had too many Scars, those. But look at that black glue on that coil. Man, oh man. It's a good day, boys. I've been wanting to get these. I wanted 15s to begin with. But I didn't think I had enough room in my car. And when I got those Def Bonds Machete 15s, I realized I did if I took the back seats out. But I think 2 of these on a wall. I wish I could run like 2 of these and these 2, but I don't know. Maybe I'll keep the 10s in the trunk for a little while. I'm not going to be able to do the wall until it gets nicer out anyway. So I'm going to have these in the back seat and these in the trunk for a little while. It's already sounding really good with the machetes, but I might have to get another amp or get another Audio Legion 1600 and strap it together with the other one. That way I have 3,000 watts going to these and 3,000 to these. But all right, and look, like I said, they updated the spec sheets, which that's a good thing because the old one said 2,000. See, and the new one 3,000. So let me put this back on the bed so you can see it better because the light in here, it's dark. And look, somebody gave us those. Freaking. Hold on a second. But that is a pretty sub, ain't it? Wait till I get the other one out of the box. I'll put them both by each other. Dude, man, I got to work tomorrow. I didn't have to, but my foreman just called me like 10 minutes after I got home and asked me if I wanted to. And I need to because I got to get my insurance read up on my car. So that's another thing. I mean, still got wood from when I tried to wall it. So, but it ain't enough to do it right. I'm going to just buy more birch and I'm going to build it right. I already got a box laid out. It's going to have like 105 square inch port. I think it's required 120. If you build an 8 cube box, 8 times 15 is 120 square inch. So anyway, it's a beautiful sub, man. I'm loving it, dudes. I think I made a good choice getting these instead of those audio pipes. What do you guys think? These things are going to slam. Let me get the other one out so we can check it out. All right, time for the second one. Let me go ahead and get this one open. Let me show you real quick. I put the other one, I'm going to get that other one out and put it in here. I had to go in my bathroom. I got like a big open bay thing. Like, kind of where this is the master bedroom. But there's another master bedroom that's on the front of the house that was built later on. And then this is like 4-bedroom house. It's got another bathroom. It's got 3 baths in it, but I got a stand-up shower, and I got that tub, which I don't never use that tub except for to wash the dog and stuff. But look at that spider, guys. Is that not pretty? I know most of my subscribers got XFLs. A lot of them do. So, the rubber boot's kind of off there. I might fix that. Got kind of smashed, probably packing it. It's all right though. That's a pretty sub. All right, let me get the other one out of the box. At least this one, the sticker ain't bent. So it's flat. So I got 2 good American base stickers now. Take those out, put them with the other ones. I wasted one. I blew it off at a car wash, but I replaced it with another one. Then on that box that's in the trunk that's got the tins, you can't see it no more, but you can see it in my older videos. But on the back of it, it's got American base sticker. Because this is my 5th XFL. I've had 3 tins, which I still got 2. I got all 3 of them because the other 2 in the car. So, and they pack their subs, like I said so many times, so good. That's another reason I like buying from them. These things are so humongous, man. Let me get out the plastic. Alright guys, there they both are. It's the same thing. Got that red spider. Like I said, let me know, you guys, that because a few of you guys said you have the XFL 15s. Do you have a red spider? Or is that just something new that they just came out with? Because on my old ones, you know, it was a black spider. And I always check these screws here too, because I don't know if it was this one. I don't think it was this one. I think it's, or maybe it was this one. This is the first one I got. One of these screws, when I first got it, I don't know if you can tell, I had to screw it down because it wasn't screwed down all the way. Yeah, I think it was that one. So it was sticking up some, so I screwed it down. It was kind of hard to do it too, but this is the one I beat to death. I don't know if you can hear it. It's blowed, but it's not all the way blowed. You can still play it. I was going to recone it. But there they are, guys. I got them up here, up kind of high for me to look down at them, but I want it on something flat. I don't want to go out in the shed right now. It's cold out and it's dark. But definitely decent, man. I'm happy. I mean, these would look good inverted, but I'm not going to. I'm going to put them in the right way because I think they sound better, myself personally. I used to invert that one all the time, but nice. I'm happy, guys. I just want to show you all that real quick. Do a little unboxing of these. Show you that they're updated. You know, they have the 3000 RMS on the motor. 1500 RMS, I mean, 3000 max. My camera ever focus. It ain't this camera. I might have to get me a GoPro because this Samsung S10 ain't, I don't know, camera ain't been working too good lately. I can't wait to get these in the car and do a demo for you guys. I can't wait to get the wall belt with these on it, man. It's gonna sound so good, man. I'll end up upgrading my amp. I'll run the Tar Amps Smart 3 on it for a while, and I'll hook the Audio Legion to those. Well, not that one, but the 2 in the car, the 10s. And then I want to just end up with just 2 of these on a wall and 1 big amp, you know. like an 8K or 5K or something. I've seen so many good amps on Marketplace lately for sale too. But so anyway, those are the XFL 15s. Can't wait to hear these babies in the car. So that's it, guys. Dual tensile leads inside. 8-gauge direct leads, which I kind of wish they was push terminals, but I'm gonna put some like lugs on it, and then I'm gonna extend the wires a little longer when I build the box and the wall, and I'm gonna have it where they get the wire extends and then has like a lug on the end of it that'll go to bolts, like copper or aluminum bolts that are going to go through the wood. And then the other side of the wood, the wood will have, you can put the washer and the nut on it, but I'll have that wire with lugs on it, like a 6-gauge. And then from that, it'll go to the amp, and you won't need a lug on the other side. But love these coils on them. That's a beautiful sub. I'm very pleased and happy. I'm so glad I got them. Anyway, like I said, man, appreciate each and every one of you guys, man. We're over 300, Just keep chugging along. But maybe Sunday I'll have these in that box. I won't have the wall built, of course. That's going to take a few days to get it right. I'm not going to rush into doing that. The weather's supposed to be terrible next week too. So I'm just going to throw these in that 6-cube box I got. Then I'll build the 8-cube one and wall it. I got the box I'm building is going to be all the way almost to the top of my ceiling, like that far away in my car. Because my ceiling goes down like this. So it's going to be from the back. The back will be kind of tight, but then it'll start dropping down in the front. And I'll have room there. I can just foam that all in. And then I'm going to try to get it to the B pillars, which my doors open up suicide doors. So I'm going to try to have it. I don't know how far the box is going to extend out. I know it's like 18, but what I mean is past that, the frame of the car there. So I might have to have from the box caddy corner wood over, but I'm going to completely seal it when I do it. It's going to be nice when I do it and get it done. I'm not going to build it nothing like I had the first time I tried. I learned my lesson. But these are the XFL 15s. Just so in case you guys are considering buying these. I know they're going to be sounding great because the 10s sound great, I mean, this thing dwarfs. This thing's heavy as hell, though. Oh, compared to those. Hold on. All right. They're even taller. The baskets are so much bigger. So these are the 10. That's the 10, and these are the 15s. Man, that's going to have some throw. And I mean, these got some throw. I thought they were good. Holy cow. Is that the same kind of basket? I guess it is. It's just massive compared to that. I should have got the 15s to begin with. I just didn't think they'd fit in my car. Like I said, when I got those machetes, I realized if I took the back seat out, they would. But I started off with this as my first American bass right here. So anyway, that's it for tonight, guys. Sorry, it's a little short video. I can't really do no music, but I just want to show you these real quick. They did upgrade the spec sheet finally. Good job, American Bass. Appreciate that. Although we already knew from the magnets that they were higher rated. But I can't get over that spider, how good looking that is. Can you guys? Anyway, please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And as soon as I get these in, I'm going to do a demo for y'all. We'll see how they sound. So, till the next one, guys. Late.
Come on, PLC Creamer. It's DJ Rustico.